Yo, we are playing Subway Surf today. I think I said in the other video, we can't play balloons because I didn't have enough storage to send on YouTube. So, no, to download stuff for my thing. So, we're going to try and beat our high score, which is 12,000 something. Okay, so yeah, 12,564 our high score is. Let me see in here what we've got. I just started this like 5 minutes ago. Literally 5 minutes ago. Let's go. I'm gonna try and be quiet in this video because I don't really like talking. The thing is lagging out a bit. That is lag. I don't know what is happening. Let's do this again. Let's try. So, if you have Insta, I have Insta as well. I will put in the what my Instagram name is. Quickly to see if it sort of stops lagging. Turn it on and then turn off my Wi-Fi. Where's my Subway Surf? Okay, that's weird. Let me just go back on it quickly. Hopefully the game's paused. If it's not, that's so annoying. So, yeah. Okay, bit of awkward silence there. On YouTube, so you can watch one. So You might play. So the games we are going to be playing is Subway Surf, Clash Royale, and Slither.io. Those are the 3 games we are actually going to be playing. Trying to beat my score, but the lag is quite hard. That was lag. Complete lag. Oh yeah, I haven't showed you my hoverboard yet. I am going today. Oh. I'll show you Why is this happening to me? As soon as I start the video, it actually is the lag. Seriously. Yeah, that was my brother playing Clash with me. So I think I might end the video here. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to show you my board. So the board that we have got is this. The starboard. The starboard. So this one. The stars that come out the back. Serious. No one has it. Well, people do have it, but not as many people. We just play a bit. What's this, anyway? Special power double jump. Okay. So, I'm going to end the video here. And all I want to do is I'm doing a shout out for my friends on Insta. Well, my friend, I can't remember the other 2. So the first one is Adam Ghost 36, and he's got Ronaldo on his picture. And yeah, that's it. So I'll end the video here. Bye, you guys. Bye.